So hello dear students, today I am going to discuss about calculus of variations. Okay, insert this is called COB. This is very important topic of dynamics. Okay, so we find some problems and solutions of some problems of dynamics, like some rigid bodies, some orbits, some variational problems, etc., etc. So to start with, first the key objective to learn the topic is, by key objective I mean our aim, to maximize or minimize a functional. Okay, we are going to maximize or minimize functionals. So to understand what is a functional, suppose this curve in the graph, this is point A with coordinates x1 y1, and this is B with coordinates x2 and y2. Suppose I am tracing the curve in any zigzag motion. Okay, so this is the path we reach from A to B, and we can say y equals to, if we draw this, yx plus epsilon zeta x. Okay, so what is our aim? Our aim is to determine the functional from x1 to x2 under root 1 plus y dash square dx is maximal. Okay, so it is clear y of x1 equals to y1 and y of x2 equals to y2. So the functional x, y dash can be represented by x1 to x2, okay, f of x, y dash dx, and this is stationary value. Also it is called stationary value. Okay, or someone may call it extremum. Okay, our aim is to find either maximum or minimum. Okay, so this is called functional. This equation is called functional. Y is nothing but the function of x. So the objective is clear, and our purpose to learn this topic should be clear, very quite clear. Okay, so we'll know some of the equations given by Euler. Okay, we'll use these equations. So our necessary and sufficient condition, okay, the necessary condition for, suppose this is functional is I, f x y dash ds. What is y dash? You should know y dash is nothing but differential. Okay, so to be an extremum is that curly f upon curly y minus d upon dx of curly f upon curly y dash equals to 0. This is called Euler's equation. Okay, now someone may represent Euler equation in another forms also. The first famous form I am giving you curly f upon curly y dash minus curly f upon curly x equals to 0. And the second one, curly f upon curly y minus curly 2f upon curly x curly y dash minus y dash upon y dash into curly 2f upon curly y dash minus y double dash means 2 times differentiation. Okay, curly 2f upon curly y dash square equals to 0. Okay, so this is for one function, this is for two function, and in similar way, if we are going to deal for the n functions, okay, then our equation given by Euler will be curly f upon curly y I minus d upon dx of curly f upon curly y I dash, okay, equals to 0, where I varies from 1 to n. So we'll use this concept on this equation, and interested or curious students may find the solutions of Euler equation. Okay, but I am skipping the solution, going directly towards the problems asked in various examinations of MSc, BSc and any other higher competitive examinations of mathematics. Okay, first of all, I am giving you a variational problem and dealing the problem how to solve from 1 to 2x square y dash square plus 2yx plus y dx, okay, equals to 0, and the condition given is x of 1 equals to y of 2 which equals to 0. So we know this will be our f. Okay, so curly f upon curly y will